Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can cancel Worldremit transaction. So in here, I'm currently on their website, and from here we have this option. And how do I cancel a transfer that I have made? So the fastest way to request a cancellation is through the application. So and how you can request a cancellation, you just have to log in via the application and then go to your transfer activity and then go to the transfer that you want to cancel and then press request cancellation. Now, after you request a cancellation, they will send you an email to inform you if the request was successful. But unfortunately, they may not be able to refund a faster after a transfer after it has been paid out. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.